Do you want to know how you can verify your identity on your DraftKings account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can verify your identity on your DraftKings account. Go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC and then log into your account after you open DraftKings.co.uk. The next thing you want to do is hover around your profile and click on Verify Me. So open DraftKings, go to your account and click on Verify Me, and it will take you the verification option. So wait for the verification page to load up. After it loads up, what you need to do is verify your identity by writing in your details of your documents. So you must write whatever is in your document. So go ahead and write down your legal first name, a legal last name, your date of birth, your home address such as your country, address number 1, address 2 is optional so you can write it down. So if it is saved already, you can just go ahead and load it. You can see it's already loaded, the city, the state you are in, and the final is the postal code. And after that, click Verify Identity, and this is how you confirm your identity or verify your identity on your DraftKings account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.